Okay, welcome back to another video, and this time we are going to be making a polar bead Christmas tree. It's gonna be Sweetie though.
With me!
Yep, with Audrey. She's back in another video.
Yeah, but I'm not going to be doing a Christmas tree because I'm not a copycat. I'm going to do something else.
Audrey, if you need one of the panels, so on the closet. But, okay. So, first I got a big panel because
I got one too.
these Christmas trees are going to be, well, this Christmas tree is going to be biggish.
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 Ish. Okay, so in another video when that's hiding, by the way, this video is going to be easier to find that. So let's get started.
Some parts that are weird and I don't like, but that's number one. And I have 4 Baby Yodas. This is how one of the Baby Yodas looks. They all look the same. Trust me. See, they're identical. And I have a hamster. I took the other hamster to school, but it was brown, so you weren't missing out on much. And then here's Nellie's personal favorite, the panda. And then here's the turtle. Alright. And it's supposed to go together like that.
So the end products are, put it back up here and let's twirl them.
Mom, you're taking my place.
You want to come over here?
Mine's really hot.
Ta-da! Good job.
Okay, you might
Audrey
want to put
and
that down, Audrey.
Nellie.
Can we end the video now? This is
Mom, just
Well, what do you tell them? What do you need to tell them, Nellie?
smash that like button if you liked it. And
subscribe.
goodbye, my mom.